Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make an account on the Trello app. So first of all, you need to download the Trello app either from your Play Store or App Store. As you can see, I've already downloaded the app. Now once downloaded, open the app. And here, once this page opens up, on the bottom of the screen, you will see two options, sign up and login. Here, you need to tap on the sign up option. And you have the options to create your Trello account using your email address, your Apple ID, your Gmail ID, or your Microsoft account as well. Choose the preference. So today, I will show you how you can create a Trello account using your Gmail ID. So tap on the option. Now here, tap on continue. Now you need to enter your email address here in the box and then tap on the next option. Now you need to open your Gmail so that you can log into your Trello account. So here, open the Gmail, tap on the yes option. Now go back to the Trello page. Now you need to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. Here, check your email address once, go back, and you need to check your email address. So now this is the verification code and you need to copy the exact verification code. So here you can tap it and then tap on copy and go back, and here enter the code, and afterwards when you have entered the code, tap on the create your account option. So my account is now being set up. So if you want Trello to send you notification, tap on the allow option, or you can also skip the part and tap on don't allow. So you can create a workspace name and then afterwards tap on the continue option. Your Trello account is being built. So that's how your Trello account is being built. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.